There is a bigger question to ask here, and I think I would like to add on to what you're saying. The question that you really want to ask is this person under the protection of Dr. Walia and the Congress party? That is the question we want answered.
And Dr. Walia is the elected representative of this area. And minister also.
I'm sorry to say, I don't understand why they are saying that they are under the protection of somebody.
He has admitted that he has a past. He knows that he has a past. Everybody knows he has a record of it. If he's a builder out there, we know how the financing of elections happens. We know exactly how it goes. We know exactly why there were 300 votes in that building. We want to exactly come to the bottom of this. You ask direct question, are we going to book this person? We also want something else investigated. Does he have links with Congress? Is he under protection of any Congress person?
Dr. Walia?
Yes, please.
Respond to Sanjay Kaul.
Whatsoever action is to be done, it is being taken by the Delhi police. They are already doing that job. The deputy commissioner is making an inquiry. He will be also submitting the report. Who are the persons who are guilty, responsible for this? They will be identified. Action is being taken since yesterday night. We have been working to.
Sir, do you or do you not, as the local legislator, sir, do you or do you not know this person? He's a prominent person from your area. You hail from this particular area. Do you or do you not know this person? You said you were aware that he has a past. Why did you not use your political clout to bear on the police to ensure that this man is arrested for all his violations, sir?
You see, basically this type of a thing I won't know because there are so many families staying in my area. I will not know each and every person doing what he is doing. Of course, he has a bad character. Action was taken against him. But this thing yesterday, what had happened about his building, I cannot have a look at each and every building. That is the job of the MCD to see. Whether
but the MCD also, Sanjay and Vijender Gupta, while you're making this point, and I'm going to end this discussion, but before that, the fact also is that the MCD is the slothful, big, inefficient organization that is not doing its job properly. And to some extent, what the Congress minister is saying is correct because they don't directly oversee the body. The body is controlled by the BJP, and the fact is the BJP-run MCD is not doing its job properly.
You know, we have to. The problem is that you want to rush this fast, but the problem is you have to understand, and you did actually hint at that. The organization of the MCD is not as if the BJP runs it. Please understand. Constitutionally, it's basically a central activity. Do remember that. And each person, each employee of the MCD is influenced by the local councillor, the MLA and the MP, not by some body somewhere else, you know. Please understand, this has to be brought to the notice of your viewers because this easy way of trying to solve the problem and getting out with it, saying it's not my problem, it's somebody else's problem, is not going to work. We're talking about people dying. Why doesn't he go and tell their people, the relatives that, it's okay, it's for the MCD responsible, I'm not responsible. Is this the thing to talk about now? Or we use this, as Mr. Mehta was saying, to opportunity to actually review exactly what's going on, or as the LG has done today, to actually have a vulnerability check. Please ensure this does never happen again.
Oh, absolutely. This must not happen again, because if it does, it will be absolutely criminal, and it's the political parties that then need to be held accountable. This needs to stop, and both the Congress and the BJP need to work together to stop passing the buck. That's very important. I'm going to end this debate. Dr. Walia, Vijender Gupta, thank you very much. Sanjay Kaul, Professor Romel Mehta, thank you very much for joining me on Center Stage tonight.